Do you know what that sound is? I have another announcement to make, which is our partnership with Lamborghini. We would really like to have a Lamborghini here inside, but I can't have one, so it's waiting outside for me. Now, I would like to introduce you to the Find X Lamborghini Special Edition. We have collaborated with Lamborghini in design, giving the device more powerful and unique characters. Both OPPO and Lamborghini strive for perfect combination of industrial design and art. Carbon fiber is used in sports cars. In this edition, we bring textured look under the glass cover of the phone body. The high-quality dark cover perfectly combines profound power and gem textures, highlighting its inner energy and the attractiveness. We have also engraved the Lamborghini logo onto, no matter from what angle you look at the phone, the logo will rise from the body. We have brand new design packaging as well for the accessories. You can see this features the bright yellow and black of the packaging. The inspiration of the Y design on the box comes from the car's light of the Ventotado, and the woven patterns of the charging cable from the V12 ignition coil design. In Find X, you can perceive the fusion of OPPO and Lamborghini. In addition to the design, both OPPO and Lamborghini are pushing the envelope in regards to speed. For cars, speed is the manifestation of absolute performance. For mobile phones, quick charging speed is an issue that consumers do not want to think about. They just want it to happen. The performance of VOOC Flash Charge with up to 20-watt power was fabulous a few years ago. VOOC Flash Charge cannot stay put like this. Therefore, in the special edition, the phone is equipped with Super VOOC Flash Charge. This is the fastest charging technology we have ever created. Find X Lamborghini bi-cell battery has roughly 3,400 milliamp capacity. Common 5-volt 1 amp charging specification needs at least 220 minutes to get fully charged, and a 5-volt 2 amp needs approximately 135 minutes. Our VOOC fast charge only needs 90 minutes, which is already very fast. While the Super VOOC, equipped with the 10-volt 5 amp charging specification, has a maximum charge voltage of 50 watts. Only our Lamborghini edition can be fully charged in 35 minutes. We at OPPO are bringing Lamborghini speed to the Find X. Super VOOC Charge is the Lamborghini in the field of quick charging. This special edition is the starting point of OPPO and Lamborghini's partnership. Today, we have Lamborghini's partners also here at this event. And let us welcome Lamborghini, Katie Basset, to the stage.
This wonderful location, not only because we are unveiling and welcoming to the OPPO family a new member, the Find X with Lamborghini, but also because we are announcing a great partnership between our two brands. So this is the very first time the Lamborghini decide to enter into a partnership with a smartphone brand. So you should ask why OPPO and Lamborghini? The answer is very easy, because we share the same values. We have a common denominator. We are customer-centric. We want our customer to be in the center, and we invest so much in research and development that has been a completely natural thing to think about OPPO as a partner in this segment. As Lamborghini, we define ourselves in three ways that are the three pillars of our strategy. We are future shapers, we are designers of experiences, and we are the ambassadors of the informal luxury. Since the very beginning of our history, back in 1963, we always pushed the boundaries. We always wanted to do something that was never done before. And as you saw just before, it's clear that OPPO shares exactly the same values. And this is why we are so excited to partner with OPPO. I also believe that this is not just a partnership based on products. For us, it's important to say that like OPPO, we are obsessed with details. We invest so much money, time, efforts, but moreover passion in building cars that are dreams, that of course is very important to share the same thing with our partner. And I believe that OPPO is perfect in that sense. But it's also a partnership that embraces a lot of other activities around. So it's a worldwide partnership. We work together hand by hand with our design team, with our research and development team, because we are committed not only to invest to improve the performance of our cars, but also to make everything that is related to the brand extension a very true and authentic experience. It is an extension of the passion of driving our cars. So it's just an incredible opportunity for us to be here and partner with OPPO. I also believe that you are going to see together OPPO and Lamborghini almost everywhere, because a true partner are sharing also opportunities. So we will be hosted by OPPO's event, and OPPO will be our guests in Lamborghini events all over the world. As I said, this is not a brand slapping exercise. This is a true and authentic partnership, because in Lamborghini, we like very much people with the very same passion and with the very same enthusiasm. And with our friends of OPPO, we found all of that. So I just want to thank everyone for the big effort, because it's been a quite long way to be here tonight. We worked very hard with my team in Italy, in Sant'Agata Bolognese, and I hope that one day you can come visit us and see how OPPO and Lamborghini truly work together. The future is not just about this product, but we are working to apply technology to also the car system. We are evaluating different opportunities of partnership. And this is just the beginning, as Michael said at this debut. So thank you very much again. And I hope that together with OPPO, we are designing an unforgettable experience for the customers of Lamborghini and OPPO. Thank you.
Thank you, Katie. Thank you, Lamborghini. It is a cooperation between OPPO and Lamborghini that helped us to create this amazing product, 5X Lamborghini Special Edition. In the future, we will work closely, leveraging both sides' deep understanding of design and a strong focus on users' real needs to create more exciting products for our consumers. Thank you, Lamborghini. Thank you, Qualcomm. Thank all the partners of OPPO. Now let's review our flagship product, Find X, quickly again. OPPO Find X is the future flagship smartphone with unifying design, including panoramic arc screen, gradient glass design, stealth 3D camera, all-face recognition, 25 megapixel from the camera, AI-enhanced dual camera, ColorOS 5.1 system, Snapdragon 845, 8 gigabits RAM, and 256 gigabytes ROM. So, you will ask, what's the price for such an amazing product? Okay, I can announce. Okay, finally, the Find X with 256 GB ROM and the Work Flash Up Edition is €999, and it will be available in this August. Country-specific price and the configuration may vary, and the price for Lamborghini Special Edition is €1,699. Ladies and gentlemen, our launch event is coming to the end. Please do visit our experience zone for a first-hand experience of our amazing Find X. Thank you and enjoy.